So I can do it myself. If I was where I couldn't help myself, he could look after me. But I work, I go to the land, but when somebody take me downstairs, those machines be out of order all the time. Now I have somebody that take me to the laundromat. And I can do my cleaning. So I does everything while cooking. So I told him he could wait on me when I can't wait on myself. But as it is now, I can take care of myself. And I hope I will be like that until I die. I don't want to be a handicap or be where somebody else have to take care of me, lift me and around and stuff. Be it I don't want to lose my mind. I pray every day of my life, ask the Lord to help me to keep my memories, my mind, that somebody else would have to, do everything for me. And so far he has. Now you take March the 12th, I will be 107. And my mom is still good. And I know it, nobody keeping it but the Lord. Nobody can remember before I went to school. I was so little in down south. We had mules and horses. And they would be in a fence and they would build a trough like this. And, and have a trough like this to run water in from a well. See, where I grew up wasn't nothing but wells or either a pump. You didn't have no water in the running house like do now. And we would have to draw water from the well and pour in that, and it would go down into that trough where the mules, the horse could drink water. And it would be about that high, low, go down. And I couldn't get over it. I wasn't tall enough to get over it. And my other sister, older sister, one down south now, she about 108. She would just jump over it and she'd ran. And I'd just stand there and couldn't get over it. And I got so angry till my uncle used to, he used to cuss. And I got so angry with her because I couldn't get over it and run and catch it. I said, you little son, no, you bitch. I didn't know where to stop that son. And my mother heard me. She called me in their house. And she said, when you start cussing, she said, I didn't cuss. She said, well, what did you say? I said, Uncle Dan said it. She whipped me. I mean, she really whipped me. I never will forget that. And she told me that was a bad, bad word. And she said, them kind of words, the devil will get you. But I don't know. I can remember a lot of things when I was little.